Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the dart location and the grain. Align the pattern flat. Once you've transferred the apex and dart legs to tracing paper, cut along one dart leg to the apex and leave a small hinge. Make a clean cut along the other leg to the seam allowance. You're creating a pivotable wedge. Make sure to preserve seam allowances. Accurate small cuts prevent distortion. Now position the pattern on a flat surface for the next step. You now close the dart by pivoting the cut wedge so the fabric fullness is removed. Tape it down onto fresh paper to lock the new shape. Once done, true the side seam and shoulder to smooth any jagged lines. Redraw curves with a French curve. If you need shaping, slash into a princess seam or redistribute to a waist seam. That's how you keep bust shaping without a visible dart. Make sure pattern grain remains straight as you work. You finish by smoothing and redrawing hem, armhole, and seam lines. Add notches and transfer grain. Make a quick muslin to test the fit. Check bust apex placement and armhole fit carefully. If the muslin shows gaping or pulling, you can reintroduce a small 1/4 to 1/2 dart or slightly reduce ease at the side seam. This preserves shaping without a full dart. One troubleshooting tip: if balance shifts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.